What's up, guys? It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Looking to find new leads for your business? LeadScrape helps you find B2B leads in any category. For each lead, you can get the business name, address, phone, website, email, contact name, social media properties, SEO data, lat long, and more. Search for leads based on their job title or get a list of people working in a company. In today's digital marketing era, every company needs a constant flow of new leads to be able to find new customers. LeadScrape makes the process easier and more efficient. Their software will deliver data in CSV format and can be imported into any lead tracking software and marketing automation tool you are currently using for your pipeline management. How great would it be if you could capture thousands of business leads within a few simple clicks? With LeadScrape, you can the main screen where you select what data you need from each extracted lead. Leads in any niche. Discover B2B companies in any industry and their contact info from our massive database. Find prospects. Find the right decision makers working in a company and their contact details. Cost effective. Capture thousands of business leads without advertising, ordering free stuff, purchasing outdated lists, etc. The options screen select your language and options about emails. Find thousands of leads and local businesses with LeadScrape. Add new prospects to your sales funnel with just a few simple clicks. Select your target. Select the location. Find new leads. Find qualified leads and boost your lead generation strategy. Get the email addresses behind any company. Find quality targeted leads in any industry. Discover the right decision makers. Now you can finally say goodbye to all those time-consuming lead generation methods you've ever tried before. Get all your potential clients' information at your fingerprints. How great would it be if you could capture thousands of business leads with just a few simple clicks? The more leads you have in your list, the more money you can make. Generating sales leads is always the #1 goal of most marketing and advertising campaigns. However, lead generation can be hard and expensive. With LeadScrape, lead generation will be as easy as clicking your computer mouse literally. Get access to LeadScrape now.